As I ride down this road, I am reminded of the unique role these paths play in our lives. Roads like this don't just connect villages, they connect the very heart of our communities. They wave through farms, linking the land and the people who nurture it. These roads represent a harmony between progress and nature, where the journey forward doesn't mean leaving behind what sustains us. But to lay these roads, some trees had to make way. It's a necessary step in development, but it doesn't have to be a loss. For every tree that was cut, a new one can be planted. Imagine riding down a road where every tree that was once lost has been replaced, where new saplings stand as symbols of our commitment to the future. This is the balance we seek. A road that not only connects villages but also reconnects us with the nature. Each road between farms is a symbol of that balance, where development embraces the nature instead of replacing it. As these trees grow alongside the road, they will provide shade, clean air, and a habitat for wildlife, ensuring that our progress doesn't come at cost of the environment. We have found a way to move forward, not by overpowering nature, but by walking alongside it. Let's continue to create paths that connects us not just to places, but to the essence of life itself. Our land, our farms, our nature. Every mile covered here is a testament to how we can build a future while preserving our roots. So as we continue to build these roads, let's also build a legacy of renewal. Let's make sure that every mile we pay is matched by our efforts to restore what was taken. In every tree planted, in every green leaf that sprouts, there is a story of balance and harmony. Together we can ensure that progress and preservation go hand in hand, one road at a time. These roads will connect villages, yes, but they also connect us to future where progress and nature thrive side by side. Thank you.